morning. Come out here and start up the old Chevy. It's about 15 degrees out right now. It's fucking cold and windy. And very unpleasant out here. Now, I haven't started this in a few months. So the battery might be dead. Or it might not be. But I suspect it is. Well, it wasn't. There she is. I gotta get a new transmission for it. Just been sitting there for like 3 years. Still starts up though. It is open header. I mean, no exhaust at all. That's why it's so loud. She has a good sound to her.